Hey everybody, just wanted to touch base with you real quick. Coming out to the 24th annual beach cleanup out of Big Shell. BMW of Corpus Christi came out to be a part of it. We brought some of the crew that were off today. Also the four-wheel drives that we had available. Went ahead and rented some trailers from U-Haul to load them up with trash. There's hundreds and hundreds of people out here. It's absolutely awesome. Everybody's getting together to clean up the beach. Makes you think there should be something larger. Larger events like this to really get out and get it clean and keep our beautiful city beautiful. So hopefully this is first of one of these events that we're going to be involved in. It's our first year. It's the 24th year that they've run it here, but they did say it's one of the largest turnouts that they've seen thus far. So we're really excited about that. But we're definitely gonna try to do what we can to clean up a good stretch. Last year the gentleman said that there's a little over 20 miles that they cleaned up last year, and they're hoping to do the same this year. I think they actually go all the way down to mile marker 34, and then we're gonna hit it cleaned all the way back. So we're really excited about that. It's really awesome to be out here and doing something good for our area. Really make a difference and make an impact on our community. So look forward to getting this cleaned up, and then hopefully next year you guys can join us for the 25th, and then anything else that we may have going forward to help clean up our beaches, clean up our city. Hopefully you'll be able to take part in that. But we appreciate it, and you'll have a good day.